Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how to install your laces without, yes, I said it, without using glue. How I keep my edges. I don't usually use glue when I'm doing my wigs unless it's like a really special occasion. And you guys really want to see me install these laces. So I'm finally here to show you how I do it and what my tricks are and the products that I use. Today I will only be using 3 products. They didn't have regular black spray, so I'm gonna try this. I don't know, I never heard of this before. So I'm really thinking if I want to cut my cap and mold it. I normally don't mold it because you really don't have to mold it. You could just leave it. I got my braids in the back and I don't want my braids to like come from under the cap. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. I use any type of powder. Blemish powder. Boom. Dry it just a little bit. Take my lace. This lace is little. Y'all, this lace is so tight. Y'all, I'm so upset because I forgot to use this to tint my actual lace. So I'm gonna just keep going and see how this goes. If it fails, y'all, I'm sorry I failed y'all, but yeah. Ow. This lace is really Damn. So I got both sides down. The lace is so small, y'all, that I could not get it more to my sideburns. So this is the lowest I could get it to go. But it's okay, because I'm gonna try to figure it out. This has never happened to me before, so I gotta figure something out. Because it's natural brown, I could fix it. So I could always use my natural edges with a few of the hair to make some edges. So I'm gonna figure this out. I cut off all the excess lace, so now I really messed up by not tinting this lace, but I promise y'all I'm gonna make it work. My tail comb, y'all see it, and then I'm gonna take my Got To Be glue spray, and then I'm gonna just put it on my finger on the safe side. But you want to do section at a time. You want your blow dryer to be on cold air, because if it's on heat, it's gonna start turning white in the front. It's a meltdown process. So you're just gonna do that all the way around. Take this, what is it called? Apogee foam. Let's see. So now I got my edges sectioned off. With this, it's like a head wrap, and I'm gonna wrap my edges in it.